this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the background of your video like this, and like this. Without much ado, let's get started. So in order for you to change the background of your video, you need two things. Number one, you need a green material. That is, you have to place a green material and then you have to stay in front of it and then you record. Look at this video below. And then after that, you need a video editor, and the kind of video editor that we're going to use for this tutorial is Wondershare Filmora 9. Please visit Let's Learn Computer Together on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, and you will see numerous videos that has been uploaded on the channel. So without much ado, let's get started. So I'm going to import the video that I've already been that I've recorded on my system. So that is what I'm doing here. So here it is, and then you drag it into the Wondershare Filmora software. So it's importing in here. So here it is. So you need to cut out the different places that you actually don't need, especially where I actually laugh. So in this very place, I need to cut this place out. Then another thing you need to input is to bring the background that you actually want to use. So for this tutorial, I'll be using this simple background. I will be using white background. So drop the white background and then you put it at make sure you take this one up and then you bring the white background at the back, add it down, and then you make sure you adjust it to this place. Now double click on you right click on the green background, right click on it, and then you click on green screen. So once you click on green screen, then you click on this select color box. So once you click on it, then you move it to this place and then you click on it. So can you see something? I've already clicked on it, but you have to do some little adjustments in order for it not to show. We have offset, we have tolerance, we have edge thickness, and also we have feather. So let me play this. Now you can see it's kind of not perfect. So what you need to do is you play with the offset. You see, if you move the offset to the right, you see the changes. If you move the tolerance to the back, you see you move it to the right. You see, so what you need to do is just adjust it according, and then you must make sure you set your green screen very well. In this tutorial, I did not really set the green screen as it's supposed to be. So if you move the edge thickness to the right, you will see that it brings in something like this. But if you move it to the left, you see that it's really affect the image. So I think I am okay with this. So edge feather to the right, you will see what it will give you, and then edge feather to the left, this is what it will actually give you. So once you are done, I'm going to play again. So now let's say I don't want to use the white, and then I will cut this white. I'll cut this white, and then I'll bring in another background. Let me use this orange background for you to see, and then I'll move this one back. So I play. So this is how to quickly change the background of your video. Check out Let's Learn Computer Together if you want to learn more about Wondershare Filmora 9. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.